Hello and welcome to Pouches and More. Today let's prepare this cute pouch. It's got a flat base and it's completely lined from inside. It can be used to hold your cosmetics, or it can also become a very nice gifting bag. So without wasting much time, let's get started and check out all the materials required to make this. We require one piece of main fabric and one piece of lining. The main fabric has been fused and they measure 5 inches by 80. One piece of main fabric, this has also been fused with interfacing, and one piece of lining. These two measure 9 and 3/4 inches by 8 1/4. One piece of main fabric for the strap, 3.5 inches by 8. A binding strip, 1.5 inches by 6.5 inches. And a 6-inch long zip. I have taken a longer zip. I'll be cutting it. These are all the materials. First we'll be attaching the zip. So we've taken the main fabric, right side facing up. Now we're going to take our zip. I have taken a longer zip. I'll be cutting it later. The slider side will be facing down and we're going to put it on the narrow side like this, and we're going to clip it. Lining fabric, right side facing down, align from the sides and the top and make a stitch. Our stitch is done. Now for the top stitch, we are going to put both the fabrics on one side and finger press the stitch line neatly and make a stitch over here. It will be a simple straight stitch. Top stitch done. For attaching the other side, just roll over the main fabric like this over to the other side of the zipper tape. Align from the sides and the top and clip it together along with the zip. Once one side is done, flip it over to the lining side. Again roll over, align from the side and the top and clip it along with the main fabric and the zip. So from the side it will be looking like this. We are going to make a straight stitch. It's a simple straight stitch. For making top stitch on the other side, we are going to first open the zip, that is pull the slider out, and we'll be turning the entire pouch over to the right side. After turning it over to the right side, finger press the side that we have not done the top stitch, and we are going to make a top stitch. Again simple straight stitch. For the base, we are going to take the base fabric, and on the wrong side we will be making some markings. That is, we are going to make a box 2 inch by 2 inch. We are going to do this on all 4 corners. After doing it on 4 corners, the same thing we'll be doing on our lining fabric and cutting both of them. Base is ready, lining fabric and main fabric. Now we are going to attach the box. So for that, we're just going to put the edges like this, clip them. Now here we need to make a stitch. Same thing we'll do on the sides also. We need to make a stitch over here. Now the same thing we'll do for our lining fabric also. Align the edges and clip them. Now we will make a stitch on the lining fabric as well as the main fabric. Our base is ready. Our main body will be taking now the base. This is the top part where the slider is. So the base we are going to make a marking. Just fold it like this. So one side we have the zipper teeth. On the other side we are going to fold it. This marking is on the base. That is on the opposite side of the slider. So both on the main fabric as well as the lining fabric we are going to make a mark. Take the base, main fabric, and on this also on the broader side. The broader side is the front, back, and the narrow is the side. So on the front and back part, that is the broader side, we are going to make a center mark. So just fold it like this, aligning the stitch marks, and make a center mark on the main fabric side as well as the interfacing. And the same thing we'll be doing on the opposite side also. So our center mark is done on the base as well as our main body. Turn the base over to the right side. So once this is done, we'll be attaching the body and the base. So before doing that, we're just going to cut this extra zip. Now the base center and the lining center will be coming together, that is the right side. So both the right sides of the base as well as the main body will be together. So here right sides are together, we are going to align the center marks. Make a stitch all around. So this is how it will be looking. So here we are going to make a stitch. This is the front. Another thing is we need to flatten the seams of the base all four corners before stitching. This is done. Now neatly push the base out like this. Push out the corners also, and we are going to push the body now inside the base like this. Now the lining fabric, we are going to turn it over. So we have the right side facing out. We are going to again flatten the corner seams. Now place the lining fabric as shown. So the right side will be going inside and the wrong side will be facing out. Align the corner edges and clip all around. Once we finish clipping, again we are going to stitch all around, leaving an opening to turn it over to the right side. This is the opening, and from here we are going to turn the entire pouch now over to the right side. Once the pouch is turned, we need to stitch the opening that we left in the lining fabric. You can either hand stitch or machine stitch. It's a simple straight stitch. Stitching is done. Now for completing the pouch, we're just going to flatten it like this. That is, the zip will be placed in the center. We need to prepare the strap now. Take the strap fabric and fold it like this. Get the raw edges again to the center and make another fold and clip it. We need to make a stitch on both the sides. It's a simple straight stitch. Once the strap is ready, on either side of the zip, we are going to place the strap like this, and only on the top fabric, not on the base, and the distance will be around 1/4 to 1/2 inch. See that there are no twists in the strap. So once this is done, we are going to make a stitch. Now while making a stitch over here, we are also going to make a stitch on the zipper tape, but remember to pull the slider inside and then make a stitch. After making a stitch on the zipper tape, cut the extra. Turn the entire pouch over to the lining fabric side or the wrong side. Now we need to flatten this, and we need to make a center mark. So hold the zipper teeth like this, fold the fabric on the opposite side and make a mark both on the lining fabric side as well as the main fabric side. Now align the center mark with the zipper teeth and flatten it neatly. So here we have got the center mark and this is the zipper teeth. Just flatten it neatly like this and clip the center so that they do not move. After having clipped both the sides, the next thing we'll be doing is folding the fabric like this over to the zipper tape. So the fold will nearly touch the zipper tape, and we're going to clip it. The same thing we'll do on the other side. Also fold it like so and clip it. Now here also we need to make a stitch. and it's a simple straight stitch. After finishing the stitch, we need to cover the raw edge. So for that, we're just going to use this binding strip, place it on the raw edge and make a stitch. So now we're just going to clip this. Here, straight stitch. After the stitching, flip over and finger press the stitch line like this. Now first we're going to start folding from the side like so, and then from the top make a double fold, one fold and another fold, and we are going to clip this. Now the same thing we'll do on the other side also. So first fold it from the side and then make a double fold. Clip the center part also, and on this we'll have to make a straight stitch. Again, it's a simple straight stitch that will hold the fabric together. Our binding is complete and so is our pouch. Now from here we'll just turn the entire pouch over to the right side neatly and push out the corners also. Our cute pouch is ready and done, and this is how it will be. It's completely lined from inside and it's got a flat base. So please do try this. Thanks for watching. Bye.